going on, guys? I'm here in my hometown of Sherman, Mississippi. Yes, named after Sherman, Texas. I don't know exactly what year it was established, but that's beside the point. I just want to talk to you guys today, talk to you about seats. Man, what are you using for the seat on your bike? You guys watch my channel, and I'll try to make this quick as possible. You guys watch my channel for long enough. You know, I've had several different seats. I went with the CC Rider seat for quite a while. I ended up going with the ASR seat, Adam Sandoval seat from Ciro. It was great for riding around town, but I was on it one day about 6-7 hours, and that thing like to kill me. So I'm reluctant to keep it on the bike for long trips. I hadn't run it in a while. Put my stock seat back on, but honestly, my leg room, I need more leg room. I'm cramped up, and so what I did, I went last weekend. I didn't shoot any video of it. There goes my sister. Headed over to my mom's, visit her for a minute, so I'll see her over there. But hopefully you didn't get a glimpse of what I picked up. But I've been looking at a lot of different seats. You guys tell me your opinion on some that's out there. I used to have a Mustang seat on a Honda I had. I liked it, but honestly I never did like 400 plus mile days on that bike, so my experience with that's not really applicable to what I'm wanting to do now. And I've heard a lot of people say that some of the Mustang seats today are not the same as ones that they had in the past, so I was reluctant to spend the type of money that Mustang is asking for their seats and then get it and not be happy with it, etc. I did see a video from Big Herc 80 where he went with Ultimate seats out of Florida. That gives you like a 14-day trial period. If you don't like the seat, you can send it back. So I thought about doing that, but I went down to my local bike shop last weekend, Fuel Cycles in Tupelo, Mississippi, and the guy there was going to let me try like a Saddleman, Mustang, some seats that they had in stock, and then order me whatever I wanted if I found something that I liked. Well, I got down there talking to them, and just so happens he had a seat in stock, and he didn't have any extended reach in stock, so that's why I was going to have to order one. So I went in there talking to him, and they ended up having a seat that was extended reach that they had ordered for another customer. They got it in. The customer said this seat will fit my bike. They got the seat in, wouldn't fit his bike, so they had this one. And show you guys what I picked up. I got a Saddleman road sofa and extended reach with the backrest. And the reason I went ahead, I put it on the bike, made sure it fit good, sat on it, I liked it. Since it was one that they'd ordered for somebody else, dude knocked a substantial amount of money off of it, so I got this at a really good discount from what I would have ordered one from Saddleman. And to be honest with you, I've seen some on like Marketplace, but I'm a little reluctant to do that because somebody else has used it, etc. You know, different shape, butt, whatever. So I kind of wanted to go with something that was new, breaking into me, and see how it does. So I've had this on there. Like I said, I got it last weekend. I put it on, ran it all week long, got to ride to work a couple days on it. We put about 200 miles, a little over 200 miles in yesterday, going to a local rally, which the video to that will be coming out. But so far I'm pleased with it. It does have the gel in it, and man, to me, like right off the bat, I've heard a lot of people say how stiff these are, but this one, I mean, it's got a lot of cushion to it, and the time I've put in it, it's comfortable. Of course, I know it's got to break in anyway, but I'm hoping the seat works out. If it doesn't, and I decide I need to sell this and get something else, I don't think I have any problem getting my money back out of it. But that is it, guys. Ended up picking up the Saddleman extended reach road sofa with the lattice stitch. Of course, it's got all black stitching, which is fine with me because that's what I was planning on going with anyway if I went with something like this, regardless of what I bought. Except for the Mustang, I might have went with a dark gray, but I like the black look since I'm trying to change some stuff out on the bike to black anyway. So we'll be honest with you guys though, it's in extended reach on this Saddleman. It says that it sets you back 2 inches. I could be wrong. Maybe I've been riding the stock seat for quite a while now, but it feels like it almost sets me back 3 inches. I don't know the comparison between the stock seat and the standard reach Saddleman versus the extended reach Saddleman, etc. But that's what we got on the bike, man. Like I said, I picked it up at a good deal. So you guys let me know what seats y'all are running, if you've had one of these or if you have one of these currently. I know a lot of people really promote them, a lot of people love them, a lot of people hate them. Which category I'm going to fall in remains to be seen, but we're going to put some miles on it. So one question I've got for you guys that run this type of seat, run the lattice stitch from Saddleman. I know you got the stitching, the perforations in the cover, etc. I'm planning on getting a rain cover from Saddleman that will fit this one. My rain cover for my stock seat, of course, does not fit. I mean, it'll cover it, but it doesn't fit good. So are you guys running a rain cover on these seats or not? How they do in the rain? Do they soak rain up like a sponge? Do they not? Like I said, I'm planning on getting one anyway for longer trips. If I get caught in a torrential downpour, I want to have the seat covered up. But let me know what you guys are doing and how they do in the rain, what experience you've had with them. And yeah, let me know what you think about it, how they've done for you. And yeah, I paid my own money for this. Like I said, I got it at a good discount, so that's why I went with it. I'm like, he brought that out and it was an extended reach. I thought, man, it's almost like this was meant to be. I got to buy this seat. Like I said, it's really comfortable right now. But you know, after being in it all day, putting in 400, 500, 600 miles, I may change my mind, but we're gonna find out. But so let me know in the comments what seat y'all are running right now. If you've had one of these, do you like them, do you hate them, and about how they perform in the rain and wet conditions. Of course, I think I pretty much know the answer to that, but let me know anyway. And got sporting my Bogey Biker shirt, the Rusty Bolts Don't Let the Hard Days Win t-shirt. If y'all ain't got one of those, head over to bogeybiker.com or whatever he says on his website, pick your shirt up. They got hats and other stuff too. But yes sir, that's the new edition. So I think it looks good. Hope it works out. Hope it works out. Like I said, should be able to get my money back if it turns out to be a thumbs down purchase. But that's it, guys. I got some other things I'm thinking about doing some videos on. But like I said, the video for the local bike rally will be coming out soon. I'll work on it, try to get it out in maybe the next week or so. It's hot out here, man. It's like phone says it's 96 degrees, feels like 106. Came over here, it was felt like riding in an oven. We went from having downpours every day to having now about 2 weeks with one afternoon of rain. Grass is starting to get brown and die and all that good stuff. So we've gone from one extreme to the other. Got a little relief in the heat for about a week, but it's back under a heat advisory now until 8 p.m. 2 days from now, which may end up getting extended. But anyway, I know it's probably hot where you guys are too. And appreciate you guys watching. Just wanted to give y'all an update, show you the seat, what I picked up, and let you know about that. Get your input on it, input on the rain cover, etc. So there I go saying etc. again. I got to get off of that. But anyway, appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed to the channel, man. Thank y'all for viewing the videos, for commenting, everything that you've done. And we're gonna get on the road, get over to see my mom, try to get out of this heat for a minute. So you guys stay safe out there. Catch you in the next one.